Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this portable thermos container. It's incredible. So it comes with a handle. If you're out hiking, you can attach this to your day pack. This thing is great. It's going to keep hot food hot for 12 hours and cold food cold for 24. I do recommend that you preheat or pre-cool it before you use it, and then this is going to stay hotter perfectly. So the lid comes off, and you could use this as a glass if you wanted, if you were drinking something. And here is the container here. So this is sort of that painted metal. This is metal. And then this part is plastic. I love that you have a spoon on the top that is attached. And this folds open. And then you have a spoon. Love that. Now on the top here, you can push down, and that's going to vent it out to let some of the air out. And then I'm going to open this. And you can see this is wet because I've already made my oatmeal. So I made this early this morning. This is my afternoon snack. So the way that I do this is I just pour some regular oats in here. This is nothing special, just regular oats. And then I pour some hot water in. And then by the time I'm ready to eat, everything is cooked and ready. Look at that steam on that. That's incredible. It's even a warm day. So that's like really, really steamy. I am always impressed how long this stays hot and how hot it stays. Let's try it. Oh, that's really hot. Still almost too hot. I'm going to have to let that cool off. That's how amazing this is. This is great. Easy to wash because it is stainless. Easy to carry with the lid. I love this, and I can't say enough about it. It comes in a bunch of colors, so definitely check those out. Recommend.